get a lot of looks when we take her for walks, and people ask a lot of questions because...
Woo!
Oh, too loud.
Oh, too loud. Good boy.
Baby.
No.
No.
No, he's like...
Happy birthday.
Oh, find me, brother!